Thank you, Anurag, for joining us at the CrelioHealth booth at MedLab Middle East.
It's always a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah. Tell us about your journey, your years in the industry, and your current position with aspirations briefly.
So, we are into medical diagnostic space, both radiology and pathology. We are 32-year-old company. We are headquartered at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. 25 centers in and around Indore.
Amazing.
So, 200-kilometer radius. That's our reach. Customer experience is of the utmost important for us.
Thanks for that. What roadblocks did you face, during the lab processes in terms of the software in the past?
So before Crelio software, which was desktop based, I used it for about more than a decade. As the time changes, as we started growing it, as we needed more features, we needed a system which would help me scaling up my business, which would be robust. That's where Crelio made a good natural fit. It was a web based. The servers were managed by Crelio, so I can focus more on my business part.
So, Crelio being a online cloud-based product, it took off the headache of worrying about your hardware. I'm sure it affected savings on the resources front, savings on the time to manage those, and security aspects. How did Crelio help you overcome these challenges?
Help me in terms of the resources, software resources that I have to take care of. Apart from that, it helped me keep my business continuity. In healthcare, downtime is really a big problem. I mean, patients don't expect that there won't be any downtime.
How was your experience in implementation, considering that you were already a mid to large size lab?
The Crelio, I mean, it was a collaborative effort between my internal team and the Crelio teams, and the Crelio was very patient about it. They understood where the users were coming from. Once the initial set of users were comfortable, then it became quite easy to scale it up.
Perfect. So, any changes in business process that has happened post implementation of Crelio?
So in terms of business processes, the user experience has really improved. Patient app, web portals, the integration with SAP, that really helps. As an administrator, I can monitor finances much more better. That really helps.
Great. How did CrelioHealth help you scale up?
One thing I don't have, so whenever I put up a new center, the last thing I have to worry about is the software. I know it's going to scale up. Don't have to worry about servers. Only thing I have to worry about an internet connection and training.
What do you like the most about the CrelioHealth team?
The team is young, very responsive, really eager and forthcoming in understanding. So they are very empathetic in that way.
Thanks for the journey sharing with us. Amazing. All the best to Sodani Diagnostic.